welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain Aesthetic Art Club reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, that is, should I buy from it or not? Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Friends, Aesthetic Art Club website is known as a multi-purpose store that is selling its products worldwide. The site is offering women clothing and accessories. Now let's take a look at the offerings of this website. So the site is offering tops and tees, hoodies, bottoms, swimwear, accessories, and you can see the sale is going on. Guys, the prices of these offerings are pretty high. You can take a look at the prices of these offerings at the home page. Now let's talk about the payment options. So you can take a look here. The modes of payment available on this website are PayPal, Visa, Amex, MasterCard, etc. And talking about the shipping info, customers will get their packet or shipment product within 3 to 8 business days, but usually within 4 days. But guys, there are some restrictions. The shipping duration is depending on the product category. So for all the TCAC original items, deliveries can take 5 to 17 days, and for other items like some of the accessories, it will take up to 5 days to 5 weeks. So rest information you can read for your knowledge and convenience. Guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, subscribe it, share it with your friends, and this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, we can see the website is running with a new domain which not defines legitimacy. And the website is looking professional with a secure HTTPS connection, which means it is secure for payment aspects. But of course, this is not enough to judge a website's legitimacy, so we need to discuss more factors as well. Now let's take a look at the About Us section. This is the About Us section of this website. And guys, we can see the information available on this page is very limited. And business establishment year, business owner name, photos, brand connection info is not available in this section. And apart from that, no info is available regarding the offerings of this website, and the prices of these offerings are pretty high. The page looks to have copied information as well. Now let's take a look at the contact us information. Here I am not able to view the contact us page on this website. No contact address is available in this site. This shows that the website is not legit. The site lacks essential details like email address and contact number. Now talking about the social media presence, you can take a look at the social media icons here. The site has social media presence on Facebook and Instagram, but both accounts are not active, which is a bad sign. And this shows that the website may be suspicious. Guys, when it comes to the return policy, the returns are acceptable within 14 days from the date of the delivered item. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers as well. And talking about the customer reviews, there are negative reviews and people claim this website as a scam website. You'll find more negative reviews on other platforms as well. According to some customers, They buy low quality clothes from a supplier and sell it on their website for a much higher price. So I think this is one of the biggest drawbacks of this website. So you should stay away from such type of websites. And talking about the content and quality, it does not seem authentic. Copied images and information is there, which shows that the website is a scam website. And in the final conclusion, the website appears to be scam and unreliable. Guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We would love to hear your views on the feedback. Please comment below because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep motivating. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. At the last, thanks for watching the video guys. Have a good day.